I just got a message on my most recent video with a tip on how to remove the four-wheel drive shift knob. So I'm going to try it right now. A guy with a 1990 K1500 said you just twist it off. So I am going to get my channel locks and go try it. So I had tried to twist it off, but it looks like the cover is just spinning and it's not going anywhere. So hopefully getting a better grip will help. So let's see. Oh, I think I cracked it. Look at that. So I got it off. And this is going to make putting the carpet back in a lot easier. And once I figure out what thread that is, I can put a cool shift knob on. So I got to see who it was that gave the suggestion, but I am very appreciative. I went back and looked at the comment, and it was 66 Malibu on YouTube. So thank you so much.